In the middle of a beautiful modern street, three elderly men were living inside this broken container. These three men have been living here for months. Three old men living here? I couldn't ignore it, so I drove there to see the place. With my own eyes. Hello, I'm DIY from DIY Rebuild. I saw the live stream about this place. May I talk with you? We don't have much to show you, but you can come in. Inside, there were no beds, no bathroom, no kitchen, only a cold metal box they called home. I used to work in a small factory. When it closed, I lost everything, little by little. I had no family left to call. These two men became my only family. We are not asking for a beautiful life. We just want a clean place to sleep and a way to earn our food.
Every morning, they left to look for food, cans, and anything they could sell. At night, they came back here and shared a thin pot of soup just to get through another day.
I can't change your whole past, but I can help you build a safer place to live. A clean bedroom, so you can earn money with dignity.
You would really do that for us?
Yes, starting today, you won't be alone in this anymore. We're starting today. Bring the team, tools, and trucks. The next morning, our team came back, and the transformation began. This is not just a building. From today, this is your home and your new beginning. This garden is for peace. Every morning, you can open the doors, sit here, and never thought a place like this could be ours. This is where not for charity, but for honest work, with your own hands.
I can learn. I want to learn.
Tonight, no one sleeps on the floor. Each of you has a clean bed, a warm blanket, and a quiet place to rest.
I forgot what a real...
No more thin soup outside in the cold. You can stay alive together.
Now maybe we can live together.
This bread stand is yours. You can work here, serve people, and earn with dignity.
People will buy from us?
Yes, this is your new start. This place belongs to you now. Open it with your own hands. Then let's open it together. Here are the keys to your new home and cafe.
Thank you so much. We are so grateful.
Welcome. Please come in. Today, you are not waiting for help. You are welcoming people in.
I used to think my working days were gone. But today, I made my first coffee.
For years, people gave me bread. Today, I get to hand it to someone else. I wanted a way to earn my food. Now I can serve it with my own hands.
Sometimes, rebuilding a place is really about rebuilding. A reason to wake up tomorrow.
The street did not just get a new cafe. 3 forgotten men found a home, a purpose, and a way to stand proudly again.
This project was never just about building a home. It was about giving 3 forgotten men a place to sleep, a reason to work, and the dignity to start again.